Adrenal glands. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're moving down to the adrenal glands, two small but powerful glands that sit right on top of your kidneys. Even though they are small, the adrenal glands play a huge role in how your body responds to stress, regulates blood pressure, and maintains energy balance. Introduction to the adrenal glands. Each adrenal gland has two main parts, and each part produces different hormones. The adrenal cortex, the outer layer, the adrenal medulla, the inner core. Let's break them down one by one. The adrenal cortex is responsible for making steroid hormones. These hormones are grouped into three main categories. Glucocorticoids, mainly cortisol. Cortisol is often called the stress hormone. It helps regulate metabolism, blood sugar levels, and reduces inflammation. During stress, cortisol ensures that your body has enough energy to deal with the challenge. Mineralocorticoids, mainly aldosterone. Aldosterone helps regulate blood pressure. It does this by controlling how much sodium and water the kidneys retain. More sodium and water means higher blood volume, which increases blood pressure. Androgens, small amounts of sex hormones. These hormones are weaker than those made by the ovaries or testes, but they play a role in growth, development, and body hair patterns. The adrenal medulla. Now, let's look at the adrenal medulla, the inner part of the adrenal gland. This part produces two very important hormones, adrenaline, epinephrine, noradrenaline, norepinephrine. These hormones are released during the fight or flight response. When you face danger or stress, adrenaline and noradrenaline quickly prepare your body to react by increasing heart rate, raising blood pressure, expanding airways for more oxygen, releasing extra glucose into the blood for quick energy. This response is short-term but vital for survival. Disorders of the adrenal glands. When adrenal glands don't function properly, several disorders can occur. Cushing's syndrome, caused by too much cortisol, leading to weight gain, high blood pressure, and muscle weakness. Addison's disease, caused by too little cortisol and aldosterone, leading to fatigue, low blood pressure, and darkening of the skin. Pheochromocytoma, a tumor of the adrenal medulla that causes excess adrenaline, leading to high blood pressure, headaches, and rapid heartbeat. Importance of adrenal health. The adrenal glands are essential because they help the body respond to stress, keep blood sugar and energy stable, regulate blood pressure, and salt balance, influence immune system activity. Without properly functioning adrenal glands, the body cannot adapt to stress or maintain stable internal conditions. The adrenal cortex produces cortisol, aldosterone, and small amounts of sex hormones. The adrenal medulla produces adrenaline and noradrenaline, which drive the fight or flight response. Together, the adrenal glands act as your body's stress managers and energy regulators. Thank you for joining me in this lecture.